this video is super exciting because we are going to settle one of Texas's biggest debates.
Oh, this is pretty steep.
Oh my gosh!
Who says it's their biggest debate?
Well, outside of brisket.
Okay.
Anyway, in today's video, we have one park, two sides, and we got two dudes that can't agree on a single thing.
Including sunscreen brands. I like the sprays, he likes the cream. Gross.
Yep, so one of us is gonna take a side.
East side or the west side? So I'm gonna be west.
No diggity.
Mike's taking the east.
Now, east side's way better.
We're gonna see which side is the best at the Schlitterbahn.
Let's go right in. What's up? We are the Thrill Guys.
Ding, ding, ding. And today
The
we
Thrill
are
Guys.
and today we are in New Braunfels, Texas. Behind us you can see we're at the Schlitterbahn. I'm really excited about this because it's hot as shnikes. But anyways, come here to Schlitt your Bahn, which means slippery roads
In German.
in German.
This is like a German town right
It's
outside
so cool.
of San Antonio, Texas.
More to come on that later.
These parks are about a mile from each other, and they're connected by a bus system, which is very easy. And today we're at the original side, which is the west side.
Best side.
The west
The
side.
bread side.
Okay, let's get some history out of the way real fast. Schlitterbahn opened in 1979, making it one of the oldest major water parks in the nation, potentially in the world.
And again, Schlitterbahn stands for what? What does it mean?
Slippery road.
Slippery road.
It also sits on 70 acres, making it also one of the largest water parks.
And it's on the historic Land of Park, which is kind of cool.
Another interesting thing is this park has won the Golden Ticket Award every year for 24 straight years. Golden Ticket basically is the premier ticket to win in the amusement industry. So to win it 24 straight years in a row is pretty crazy. Best water park in the world, right here.
Awesome. And I'm
Really cool.
dying of heat, so let's get right into it. All right, welcome to the west side. I don't know the sign art, throw it up. Anyways, the west side is awesome. It's expansive, it's big, it's shady, it's built into the side of the Comal River. It feeds from the Comal River. It's so cool. It's a natural spring. I think this one is bigger than the other side. I think I said that already. It's around 40 acres, which is massive. Size for me.
The west side may have size, but the east side is all about height and fitting as much into a small space as possible. We've got 10 major attractions just in this little acreage. It's not the size, but the motion of the ocean, baby. All killer, no filler.
The west side has the downhill racers where you go face first on a mat, which is awesome. So if you went to thrills, this is the spot to come first. Right off the entry of the park on the west side. The water's so refreshing, guys. With this 80+ temp, downhill racers are right at the top of the gift shop, so easy access to food, drinks, merchandise, all of it. Check it out.
Your side has the downhill racers facing forward. Ours has the Boogie Bomb, which is the first inline surfing attraction.
Alright, the west side also has this awesome watering hole behind us. It's much more chill vibe on this side. Think about like barbecues and briskets and bratwurst on a picnic table by the river. Look at this, it's freaking beautiful. Awesome pool. You can also bring in your own cooler of a certain size, so check the website for more details, but you can bring your own stuff in. Awesome.
Your side has picnic life. Our side is all about the vibe. We got swim-up bars, pina coladas, the bands.
The west side is all about nature. It's like, I don't know, the forbidden forest meets up with a water park. There's so many awesome rides right here by the river. I went for like Winnie the Pooh to meet Robin Hood. So cool. Super scenic. We love the west side of that.
Most scenic. You don't need most scenic when you have the Master Blaster Tower. We're all about new and improved. generational prototyping of new water attractions.
All right, well, AOC would like this side, the west side. Why? Because this is naturally fed spring water. 72 degrees year-round. Kind of cold during the winter, but whatever, we'll figure it out. The east side doesn't have that. Like, that's the best part, I think, about the west side is 72-degree river water, naturally spread from the spring. Ooh, yeah.
Okay, I think that's pretty cool that you're a natural spring-fed water park and all, but we're a technological water park. We got chlorinated water. So it's basically a little warmer, a little cleaner, and basically like indoor plumbing.
All right, what you guys want thrill? West side's where it's at. We've got the Durban. Oh my God! Whew. Fresh. And the soda straws.
On-speed slides are pretty thrilling, but nothing is as thrilling as one of the first water coasters, Master Blaster.
That feels so good. So we've got on this side the transportainment, which is, I think this the guy right here, it's fork in the road. I can choose a nice, more calm kind of ride, or I can go ThrillGuys style and jump off the cliffhanger here. So it's a small little like 5-foot slope, and then it goes down, which you can't see here, but it goes to like a 25-foot slope. So thrill or chill.
Transportainment's pretty cool and all. What about the first ever conveyor belt? Your park, you have to bring all the tubes up to the start, to the top of the hill. This one, the tubes go up the conveyor belt for you.
If you want to stay on property, come to the west side. A fancy little motel here behind us, right on the river ride.
You got hotels and motels. We got tree houses, so you can stay all night long. East side to the west side.
Can we notice on the east side there's no water in this epic river, so the west side wins this one.
Yeah.
Alright guys, west side, gonna wind up the east side here hopefully. This is the Bow Wow Blaster. What is it? It's another thrill water coaster. That's pretty cool.
Bow Wow Yippee-Yi-Yay. We've got Dragons of Ren, which was the first generation water coaster. Start on the ground and it propelled you up. You don't even have to walk up any stairs, guys. Win.
Definitely is better than the east side. Why? Because we got the raging river, 30-minute tube ride, takes you to the other side of the park. This thing is awesome.
You got a 30-minute adventure on the raging river. East side's got Falls, which is the world's longest water attraction at a water park. 3,600 feet. This one's good. 45 minutes.
We got our first attraction here, the white water tube chutes. The original OG for the west side tube chutes. So cool. Oh my god, that's so warm. Oh my god, that's cold. That is not warm. So man,
Straight out the river.
fresh.
Have a good one.
Thanks, man. You too. Chelsea, Chelsea. Oh my god.
Whitewater tube chutes? What about the Torrent River? It's Lazy River meets Rogue Waves. Closing statements. Which side is better?
to the west side. Battle has
Or
ended.
west? What's your closing statements?
Alright, so the west side whole different vibe than the east side. It is bigger. The lines are shorter. And the water is just, I mean, that river
Natural.
water, yeah, it's natural. It's awesome. It's just a different vibe. Like I feel like you're in Germany or something.
Okay, and then of course for the east side, we got technological thrills. This park likes to innovate, and they're constantly doing new things. It's chlorinated water.
Is that a wind?
It's just newer.
Yeah, I mean, it feels like east side. Yeah, it just feels like a modern park, and west side doesn't. It feels like you're in this, again, enchanted forest wonderland.
We said at the very start of this that we can't even decide on which type of sunscreen to use. So we're gonna leave it up to you.
Let us know what you guys
Are
think
you
would
west
be
side?
more appealing.
Or more east side.
Every time you say that, you have to sing the song. East side to the west side, no diggity.
So you gotta let us know. Let us know in the comments below which side do you think is best. And they both have a lot to offer. They're both amazing.
Either way,
2 for the price of 1.
come to Schlitterbahn. It's so much fun.
And look at this. While you're here too, make sure you do a river tour. They're only $2 rafts. And look, you can just like chill out in the river right down there. Yeah, those people right there. Amazing river life. We're out. ThrillGuys out.
Wait, left side. I can't do it.
Well, you did it.
That's hard. Can we do that on YouTube?
No.
Okay.
You ever wonder how they get the tubes to each location here? By riverboat, of course.